Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, tap on one of your apps, in my case AliExpress, and apply the best option for you by tapping on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature, then click on an app that you wish to manage. And instead of selecting one of those options, clicking on See All App Permissions, in this case AliExpress, at the bottom. Now you can manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!